So, dear students, welcome to the Audible Learn YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to solve some typical problem and spherical lens and refractive indexes. Before solving the problem, first recall the what is lens formula, what is magnification, what are the notations you have to take before solving the exam. That means that here it is for a concave lens means you know that one focal length is a negative. So I will show that equations. So what is the lens formula? Lens formula by 1 divided by V minus 1 divided by U equal to 1 by F. Here V is image distance, U is object distance. These are the diagram, ray diagram. And if virtual image is formed, V is negative, that is image distance is negative. If real image is formed, V is positive. Object distance always negative as it on the left side of the lens. That means in front of the lens, you taken U as a negative. Suppose the object distance on the other side means the right side means it is negative. So these notations is very important one. I said already, focal length of the convex lens is positive. Focal length of the concave lens is negative. And what is the formula for the magnification? Magnification M is height of the image H dash, height of the object H. It is also defined as MV by U. So another important parameter is called power of a lens. What is the power of lens definition? It is the reciprocal of focal length. The focal length taken in meter is a very important one. Sometimes in the problem, focal length is given in centimeter. You try to convert centimeter into meter. So what is the formula? Power of a lens is reciprocal. That's a 1 by focal length or P divided 1 by F. Here I said now, when focal length must be measured in the meter, then power is measured in diopter or simply taken as a D means diopter. So let us start the problems. First, I will take the refractive index. So first I said clearly, you have to read the problems carefully before solving any kind of the problem. First understand what are the data given in the problem and what type of the lens, everything. Here given that light enters from air to glass having refractive index 1.5. What is the speed of the light in the glass? The speed of the light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Here you are asking to find the speed of the light in the glass. So first write what are the data given in the problem. So here it is, the refractive index is given 1.5, that is the refractive index of the medium, comma C. What is the C? Speed of the light in vacuum 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Now what you have to find out, the velocity or speed of the light in glass, that is V. So what is the definition for the refractive index of a medium? So N is defined as C by V. It gives rise to V C divided by N. What is the C value in the problem? That is given as 3.8 divided by 1.5. It gives 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. This is your answer. So it's a very simple problem. Sometimes they ask for the 2 mark. As usual, first write what is the N. What is the N is given in the problem? 1.5. C is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So you have to find out speed of the light in glass, that is a V. First write the formula for N, that is the refractive index of a medium, is C by V. C means speed of the light in vacuum, V means speed of the light in glass. From that, rewrite the equation, V become C by N. then substitute the value of C and N, simplify that one, you will get 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So let us observe in the second problem. So what is given here? The refractive index of the diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this statement? This is also related to the speed of the light only. That means that here observe is in the first problem. Always the speed of the light in vacuum is higher. It is the highest. So if the light is passed from air to glass, then speed of the light will be reduced. That means that air to glass or air to water, air to diamond, whatever it may be, the speed of light in the medium is reduced when it is travel from air to other media. So here one is glass, here it is diamond. So here C is not given, but the C is you know that one, the speed of the light in vacuum, it is a constant value. That is you have to take into account. That is 3 into 10 to the 4 of 8 meter per second. Same thing, but sometimes they may given, they may not be given. So let us write here as usual. What is the N? 2.42. C is not given. This is the constant value. You must remember, meter per second. Then as usual, define the N. C by V gives right to V. C by N. I can write it as here 1 by N into C. So here, if you know the value, you can write it. Otherwise, if you don't know, you can write it the equation. It is in the form 1 by N into C. So what is the N value? 2.42 multiplied by C. So how do you write your answer? What is the meaning of this statement? So you have to write like this. Wait. Speed of light in diamond is 1 divided by 2.4 times. That is the velocity or speed of light in vacuum. You can write the speed, okay, no problem. Both are same parameter. So this is your, that means that speed of the light in the diamond is reduced by the factor 1.1 divided by 2.4. No need to simplify, you can keep it as it is. They are asking for how do you understand this fact. So let us move to the 10th problems. First I will take your textbook from the page number 184. First problem. A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Here, what is the type of the lens? Concave lens, and focal length is 15 centimeter. It is positive or negative? Because it's a concave lens, it is negative. At what distance should the object, you have to find out U, object distance, be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens, in front of the lens. So what is the V? V is a negative. Also you have to find out the M. So you have to go by step by step. First you have to write given. What are the given is given? F is given minus 15 centimeter and V is given minus 10 centimeter. So what you are going to be find out? You have to find out U and magnification M. So now write the lens formula. What is the lens formula? 1 by F, 1 by V minus 1 by U. So I want to find out the U means what I can do, just rearrange the equation. 1 by U I will take it on the LHS side. 1 by F I can move to the RHS side. It gives 1 by u 1 by v minus 1 by f. So now substitute the values. 1 by v, what is the value? Minus 10 minus 1 by minus 15. Simplify that one. It become 1 by minus 10 minus into minus, it become a plus 1 divided by 15. I will move the screen up. This is Microsoft board. So here it is 1 by u. So before that, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM. How to do that one? Same thing. Just write first value is 10, 15. Take that 5 value. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So multiply 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 3, 30. So write the LCM down. So here minus is there. 10 divided by 3 means minus 3 plus 2. It reduced to minus 1, 30. Therefore, u is minus 30. So what is the negative sign? Indicate that object is placed in front of the lens. Now write your answer. Object is placed in front of lens. What is the distance? 30 centimeters. If you want, you can add here also. A is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters. Erase that one. Wait. Okay. I will write that. Place it at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of the lens. So now you have to find out the magnification. What is the magnification? Says that m equals image distance by object distance. What is the image distance? Minus 10. Object distance minus 30. Minus gets cancelled. 1 by 3 or 0.33. So what is the meaning of that one? Here it is. Plus means image is erect. And another one is size of the image. It is less than 1 means it is diminished. It is a smaller than 0.3 times of size of the object. So write the answer. Because of the sign is positive, image is erect. Size of image is 0.3 times size of object. So this is your answer. Like that, you have to solve the problem. Before solving that, I said now clearly. First write the what are the data is given. I will repeat once again just for glance. So f is minus 15 because concave lens, and v is minus 10 because it is formed from the lens, means in front of the lens. You have to find out u and m. Just recall the lens formula: 1 by f, 1 by v minus 1 by u. So here you want to find out u means just clear in the equation and substitute the values, simplify. Then you will get minus 1 by 30 because here minus means the object is also placed at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of the lens only. Then what is the second part? You have to find out the magnification. V by u, substitute the value minus 10 divided by minus 30, 1 by 3, 0.33. So here m is positive, image is erect. That is, image is formed above the principal axis of a lens. So size of the image is diminished, small in size. How much? 0.3 times size of object. So this is your answer. let us move to the another problem, convex lens. Let us take this problem. A convex lens forms a real and inverted image of the needle. Needle means object at a distance of 50 centimeter from it. Where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens? If the image is equal to size of the object, also find the power of the lens. So here it has given that convex lens forms a real image. Real means what? E is positive. Image is real. It is a positive of a needle of a distance 50 centimeter from it in front of the lens. So where is the needle placed? You have to find out the object distance in front of the convex lens. If the image size is equal to the size of the object, and also find the power of a lens. What is the power of a lens? Power of a lens is defined as a reciprocal of the focal length. So here you have to find out the focal length. So let us write the data given. So given, what is given? V is given 50 centimeter. It is positive because it is, that is the image is real. So here you have to write size of the image is equal to size of the object, that is h dash equal to h. So here you have to find out, first write the focal length, and similarly you have to find out the power of a lens. So now before solving the problem, you have to find out the u distance. If you know the u distance, that is the object distance, then you can find the focal length using the Villen's formula. How do you find out? Just recall the magnification formula, that is h dash by h is equal to -1. Why means? You see the nature of the image is inverted. It is below the principal axis. Because of that one, m is negative. So that m become -1 because he said that image is equal to the size of the object. Now recall the another formula, v by u equal to -1. Therefore u equals -v or -50 centimeter. So image is given as a 50 centimeter because image is a real, that's why it is a positive. But object is -50 centimeter means object is also placed in front of the lens. So now you have to go to find out the focal length. That is what to do. Just recall the length formula, 1 divided by f, 1 by v minus 1 by u. Substitute the values, find the f. F means focal length. So that here it is 1 by f, v is positive, 50, 1 divided by -50, it becomes 1 by 50 plus 1 by 50, it becomes 2 divided by 50. Therefore, f becomes 50 divided by 2, 25 centimeter. So now you have to find out the power. So before find out the power, what I said in the beginning, so you should convert f into meter. So here it is given as 25 centimeter. How do you convert? Divided by 100. Why 100? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So right now here f equals 25 divided by 100 or 1 divided by 4, or you can say 0.25 meter. So this is very important. If the focal length is given in meter, no need to conversion is required. If it is not given centimeter, you have to convert it into meter. So now find out the power of a lens. Power of a lens is equal to 1 by f, or P equal to 1 by f, 1 divided by 0.25 25 is equal to 4D. 4D means what? Diopter. So this is your answer. So like that you have to solve this problem. Just I will once again explain. So V is 50 centimeter. Y means image is real, and size of the image is equal to the size of the object. From that you have to find out the magnification. Why it is negative? Because it is a inverted image is formed below the principal axis. So from that you have to find out the u become a minus 50. So we have minus 50 means in front of the object. Just write down the lens formula. So put the values, simplify that one, you will get 25 centimeter. So here you have to convert 25 centimeter into meter, it becomes 0.25 meter. Now write the formula for power of a lens equal to 1 by f. So P is equal to 1 by f, 1 by 0.25, it's equal to 4D. 4D means what? 4 diopter. This is your, let us note the next problem. So let us take this problem. A 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position, size of the image. Also find its magnification. Here what type of the lens is? Convex lens. Focal length is given. What is the f? Is a positive or negative? Here it is positive because it is a convex lens. Now write the given data. Given data. What is given data? Object length is size is given. That is h equal to 2 centimeter. F is 10 centimeter. And u is from the lens means in front of the lens minus 15 centimeter. From that what you have to find out? Image distance, size of the image, and also magnification. How do you solve this one? It's simple one. First write the lens formula. From the lens formula you have to find out the image distance V. Then find the m. Okay, I will first write the lens formula equals 1 by f 1 by v minus 1 by v u. So here what you have to find out? The image distance. Just rearrange the equation. 1 by v equals 1 by f, 1 by minus u, you can take it on the LHS side, it become positive. Okay, be careful. Whenever exchanging the values, LHS or RHS, whatever the sign is on the RHS side, become a positive. If it is positive, it become a negative. So here substitute the values 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. Why means again minus here? Here value is given that minus 15. So now simplify this equation. Before that, same thing, find out the 10, 15, 5 value, 2 into 3, same thing, 1 by v equals 3, 10 divided by 33, 15 divided by 30, it is a 2, 1 by 30. What is the v become? V become 30 centimeter. What is the v value? Is it a positive or negative? It is a positive. Positive means what? The image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter behind the lens or on the right side, other side of the lens. Now right here, image is formed behind the lens. So first answer, what is the distance? 30 centimeter. It is a positive. So now going to solve the magnification. What is the m formula? M is v by u. V is also given 30 centimeter and u is also given minus 15. Now let us see. So now first write the formula. m equals v by u. What is the v? 30 centimeter minus 15. This become minus 2, only 2 because m doesn't have any unit. Now here v is 30, u is minus 15. It become minus 2. What is the meaning of that one? What is the size of the image now? Size of the image double the size of the object, and it is minus. Minus means image is inverted. So first I will write the image is inverted because it is a negative, and size of image is double the size of object. Now we can find out the size of the image. So same thing, you have to recall m is equal to h dash h. This gives to h dash m into h minus 2 into 2. 2 is given in your problem. It become minus 4 centimeter. Size of the image is 4 centimeter. It is almost double the size of the object. This is your answer. I will explain once again. Just recall what is the given data. H is given. Tall of the, that is the size of the object, is 2 centimeter. F is positive because convex length, and U is negative because in front of the object is placed in front of the lens, minus 15. You have to find out the V, H dash and M. Just same thing, recall the lens formula. 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Just rearrange the equation as per our requirement. That is, here we want to find out the V. So 1 by F plus 1 by U. Substitute the values, simplify. So here you will get the V is equal to 30 centimeter. So because this is a positive, image is formed behind the lens. So then find out the magnification. Magnification is equal to V by U. That's equal to 30 minus 15 is equal to minus 2. So because of the negative sign, image is inverted, and size of the image is double the size of object. Then find out the image size. Just recall the m is also defined as h dash by h. H dash means size of the image by size of the object. H dash will become m multiplied by h. Substitute the values. M is minus 2 and h is given in the problem 2. So you will get h dash is equal to minus 4 centimeter. This is your answer. The last problem. This power of a lens. So let us take a very simple problem, but here it's but to carefully observe the value of the focal length is given in centimeter or meter. I will take both the type. A person having a myopic eye uses a concave lens of focal length 50 centimeter. This is important. Centimeter means you must convert it into meter. What is the power of a lens? So what is given? Given focal length, because it's a concave lens, minus 50 centimeter. So you have to convert it into meter means minus 50 divided by 100. I said already 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. It becomes 0.5 meter. So now you have to find out the power of lens. Very simple. F is equal to reciprocal. 1 by F is equal to minus 1 divided by 0.5 minus 2. What is the unit? Diopter. This is your answer. So very simple one. So let us take another problem. So here it is. Find the power of a concave lens of a focal length 2 meter. Here F is given in a meter. No need to convert it into any unit. You directly substitute the values. Find the. So E1 F is equal to 2 meter. Right? P formula 1 by F 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Write the value, that is the unit of the P diopter. So this is your answer. So very simple formula. So we solve the different kind of the formula. Thank you for watching this video. Like the video for YouTube algorithm. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment section. Like and subscribe our channel, that is Hadoop channel, for upcoming videos. Thank you once again.